The Losi Super Rock Ray took a tumble last time I drove it. Ended up with a broken turnbuckle. From what I can tell, this is not an uncommon thing to have happened. This side's fine. This side unfortunately snapped off right there at the edge, so I'm going to have to do some work in order to get that out. According to the wisdom that is the internet, we can upgrade to a titanium turnbuckle, this Lunsford 50mm long turnbuckle. So we are going to do a drill job, extractor job, get this thing out, and then put that new turnbuckle in so we can be back up and running. Alright, so I have tried the drill extractors, I've tried multiple drill bits, nothing is even denting this thing. So I'm going to a full-on plan B. I'm going to take a cutoff wheel. I am going to put a groove in that to try to make it basically like a flathead, so I can get a flathead screwdriver in there and then take it off. Wish me luck. Look at that! I'm so proud of myself. Look at that. Alright. Ta-da! I just wanted to show this. So I got the 5x50 turnbuckle from Lunsford. I wanted it to be a little bit longer just so that maybe I could get a little more threads inside each one of the ends to make it stronger. That was my thought. I might be wrong. One thing I'm a little concerned about is because I did this, you can see this Lunsford has a longer shank on it in here. Slightly concerned that that's actually just going to go in. Maybe I'm not going to be able to get the appropriate camber. Let's find out. Check it out. Look at that. All back together. Looks like it's going to work. Hopefully stronger than ever. We'll give it a test and we'll see what happens.